name is Shotgun, and a half of 9mm. Dating lunatics at dati din kinakilla. Kami nagsimula, bumati ko sa pumuna. Sa mga rappers na isang flow at tema. Pero teka, tigilan na, tapos na yan. That's back in the day, now it's time to get way to the shotgun, baby. I rock the mic, baby. Midwest Records represent, damn shorty. I do speak loud on the mic, cause this is what I do. Cause my lyrics will stab you like a knife, making you realize all the good and the bad things that you have done in your life. I don't mean no harm, kid. If I hit you below, I just wanna say hello, what up? Now everybody throw your doves. Now I'm holding the mic, I reckon busting all the caps now. Allow me to introduce myself. They call me Shotgun, straight coming from the west side. Manila, Tonto, let me ride. I'm here to represent Midwest. God bless. Allow me to introduce myself. They call me Shotgun, straight coming from the west side. Manila, Tonto, let me ride. I'm here to represent Midwest. God bless. Call me Shotgun, gonna make you run, I'm gonna make you stun from the underground. If you know I drop bombs, fucking lyrics in the house, you know what I'm saying. I'm talking loud on the mic, and you know I'm not tripping. Got my Midwest family, the baddest motherfuckers from the west side. We're the coolest rhyme slayer, player my nigga. Hold check, you give me some love. Some bitches do love, but I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm deadly, you know that I'm the crazy black nigga with an attitude, sucker, straight from down on the ground. Gangsta funk coming up from the era, like old school rappers, they'll live forever. Like Eric B. and Rakim, and Soul to Soul, Eazy-E, Machiavelli, and Notorious B.I.G. They'll live and die and stay true to the game, like Francis M. And Shotgun will be the same. Allow me to introduce myself. They call me Shotgun, straight coming from the west side. Manila, Tonto, let me ride. I'm here to represent Midwest. God bless. Allow me to introduce myself. They call me Shotgun, straight coming from the west side. Manila, Tonto, let me ride. I'm here to represent Midwest. God bless. I'm here to represent Midwest. God bless. You know what I'm saying? Cause we are the baddest on the west side. Told them Manila is the city where I came from. No doubt for real. Been here turning 4 years. Got B&K on my back every day and all day. Love this for hip hop, even though there's no pay. I do this cause I want to, not to stay in the game. Like the motherfucker Dre say, fuck the frame. I've been this fucking game since I was a young blood. Back in '89 I was rapping holiday rap of MC Michael G, Terminator, Public Enemy, True Life Crew, Chuck D, OG Ice-T, Lords of the Underground, NWA. Those were the rappers who got me into this. Back in the day, the mic is my toy gun. I spit lyrics with an anger, that's why they call me Shotgun. Allow me to introduce myself. They call me Shotgun, straight coming from the west side. Manila, Tonto, let me ride. I'm here to represent Midwest. God bless. Allow me to introduce myself. They call me Shotgun, straight coming from the west side. Manila, Tonto, let me ride. I'm here to represent Midwest. God bless.